Welcome to my channel. Today we are making these crispy sandwiches from the leftover hamburger or keema. You can also use leftover vegetables, or you can use taco meat or any fillings that you like. We need eggs, bread of your choice, breadcrumbs, and shredded cheese if you want to use shredded cheese. And then we add mayonnaise or butter to the slice of bread and take a lid, a large lid, and cut it into a round sandwich. You may have to apply some pressure to it and then remove the sides. You can also use a large cookie cutter if you have it. And then if you don't really want to make it round, you can just leave it as it is and then just follow. Now we're going to dip this sandwich that we just created, the round sandwich, and we will clean it up on the sides, on the edges, and then we'll dip it in the egg mixture. And you can salt the eggs a little bit, and we then put the sandwich and apply breadcrumbs to it. Make sure the breadcrumbs are applied evenly to all of the sandwich. And then we will take a frying pan, add a little bit of oil, and just fry it in a shallow fry. And this is really good way to utilize the leftover keema. You can, even if you have any meat, you can shred it and do the same. And here we have our already done sandwiches, and I really hope that you enjoy this recipe. And I'll be bringing you more sandwiches later on. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share and like.